finish off our week of s'mores project with some paperclip bookmarks. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have these graphics. I made them in Canva. Yes, I have them in my Etsy store. They're cute little puns. These are little cards on cardstock that we are going to put our paperclip bookmarks on. Adorable, right? So all I do is cut them out. They're very like whimsical around the edges with those dots, so you don't have to worry about being super perfect. Now this first set is easy peasy. It's just some ribbon and paper clips from Dollar Tree. I take the ribbon, I go 5 inches or so, cut it, put the tails together. Then we're going to take our paper clip and we're going to put the tails through that paper clip. Take our tails, pull it through the loop, tighten it up. Bingo bango. Now I like to take my scissors and angle the ends of the paper clip, but not the paper clip, the ribbon. I angle it. I think it looks pretty like that. Some people like to burn the edges. I don't. Then we're going to take our card, and then I am just in the center putting a line with my X-Acto knife, just cutting a line so that we have a place to put our bookmarks, and then we put them in. Perfect. Now, it's great, but I invite you to try a different color. I printed mine on natural color, and you could do any color. Same process, but look at the difference. Look at how cute they look, like little marshmallows with chocolate on top. Anyways, all right, now here's where the magic's going to happen. This is Crayola's Model Magic. It's like foamy air dry clay. I take maybe about an inch or so off, roll it in my hands, and then we're going to make like a little marshmallow-like thing. Don't get crazy about making sure it's perfect because it's going to get squished in this part. I put a little glue on my paper clip and then I put it into our air dry clay. And that's where we're going to then kind of really mold it to make it look like a marshmallow. Yes, none of this is dry. And that's the way I wanted it so that we could ply it around our paper clip. Then, still not dry, I put some, this is fabric puffy paint, and I put a big glob on the top, and then I just tap ever so lightly to make the puffy paint kind of drip down our clay, and look how cute. Now I took a card and I folded it in half and put my clip on that, and then I actually just kind of put one side of the card on that little box just so they could dry. Now here are all the different cards we have. Super cute puns. Again, I'm going to show you same exact thing I did before with the ribbon ones. Just put a line in the center, and then these are all dry. I would invite you to make sure that they're dry. It's going to take a day or so, or you can use carefully a heat gun. And then we're going to add them to our paper, words are so hard lately, man. We're going to add them to our card. Now, these are adorable. I love them. Super cute. But I had a lot to do. I had a lot of them to make, and I thought 5 for each person for our family reunion was a bit much, so I included this graphic so you could put just one. Adorable, and I love the natural color. I think that makes it pop. So here it is with the ribbon, but here it is with our little s'mores one. Quit it right now. Right? So here they are, adorable little sets. This is what it looks like if you were to put it on your notebook, and here it is closed. Adorable. I can't even. I love it. Here they are as a set. Listen, if you're like me and you like matchy, hello? This was just, yes, I know. I'm done with the s'mores this week. Don't worry, but holy Toledo, how much fun was this? Whew. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.